Hey, we got to get going. Let's go. Get out of there. All right, we want to end up on that ridge over there. I don't know if you can see it. But it's a pretty good sized ridge. Trail doesn't go that way, so we'll see if we can make it. Little bushwhacking. We're getting a little bit closer. All right, we made it to our spot, our first spot. Check out where we came from. Way down there. Okay, we're gonna go to our next destination. Way down there, Lake Michigan. Hard to believe, 1 week ago, we were in a blizzard warning.